Ho, 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 everybody! It's Mr. B here with another learning game to play at home. Yes, I'm just not sure. I'm not sure this is working very well. Okay, so I'm in kickback mode, as you can tell. The Christmas spirit has hit and I am just a little bit laid back and relaxed. So what, I do apologise. Oh look, I cannot do this. My glasses are fogging up. So, alright, I'm getting rid of it. Sorry. Oh, now look at the hair. Oh my goodness. I'm not worrying too much about it because my golly, the lighting, the reflection off the board, I've spent a half an hour trying to fix it. I just thought, no, I'm just going to do it. So what I was going to do was have this magnificent presentation for you with PowerPoint slides and instructions and things to print out, which I may still do, and I'll put the link underneath. But I just want to get on and say hi, say Merry Christmas, and give you something to do in the holidays. Yay. Yay. So it's well-known fact that when kids are in holiday mode, reading tends to take a slide, maths tends to take a slide. So it's about creating opportunities to have a little bit of that incidental learning and keep them prompted in reading or whatever, you know. And there's different ways to do that. If you want some ideas, go onto our website and grab our reading hacks, which are a little different, a little more fun, just to help keep reading going. But maths is another one. And especially our littlies, they can tend to forget about some of the stuff they've learned because it's very exciting Christmas time. So this is a game to do with counting, okay? It can be varying age groups and there's different teaching points within the game for those different age groups. So I just wanted to share this with you, and I do have score sheets that I'm going to put up, possibly, if I'm not in really chill out mood. Which I'll put a link below, you can just print them off. You can do them yourself though. But simply what we're doing, we're playing cricket. It's cricket season, and just ruling up something like this on a piece of paper is fine. You know, you just want 3 columns where we put the names of the players and the tally marks. So we're going to use tally marks. Then we total the score column, okay? Really easy to do. Then what we do is, so you might pick Santa. You all might pick me for a batsman. So each player gets one of these score sheets and they write down their own team. Now, your child might be the bowler, you might be the batsman. The batsman scores on their sheet, the bowler rolls the dice, bowls the dice. I've got one here. All right, so we start the game by simply rolling the die. And we roll it, and it's a 6. Santa's hit a 6, yay! So this is a good point for the younger students to teach them about tally marks. So we want 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when we get to 4, we want to cross it to make 5. 5, and is that 6 yet? No. And we add another one, another stroke. Okay, Santa's doing well. Da-da-da, there's a 1, so we put another 1 stroke. Da-da-da-da-da, 3. 1, 2, and that's 4. So when we've got 4, we've got to cross it to make 5. All right, so this is teaching them groups of 5. So this is a good point for the younger learners within the game, within the indoor cricket game, to learn about those groups, okay? What happens then is, you can't see the dice. Oh, Santa, you just rolled a 5. Now that 5's not looking very well. This is out of an old Monopoly game. So a 5 means that you are out. 5 equals out, okay? So if you roll a 5, so if the bowler rolls a 5, the person who's scoring is out. So that's out, Santa. So what we do then is we will tally the tally marks. Now, you can teach them about groups of 5. It's a lot more fun when you're not explaining everything, I promise. So we can start to count by 5s. Some children, the younger ones, might count by 1s and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So a big step in learning is starting from 5 and counting on. After that, we're counting by 5. So 5, 10, some of them get it really easily. You put that over in the score column. Da, 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 da. Okay? Now this continues until you've gone through your field. Now you don't have to have 11 players. I just have 11 players because it's just not cricket without it. And, oh look, here's me batting. So I'll roll the dice and I got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I just rolled a 5. Now I'm out. Oh, I outscored Santa. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Alright, you get the picture? Now this goes on. Ponting got 1 because we rolled a 5 and he was out. So that's 1. If you've got older students, you might start, I didn't do this, but you can. You might put those columns into units, tens and hundreds. Okay, units, tens, hundreds. Alright, and then they can start to slot in the numerals in the corresponding value. Okay, so that's another teaching point for the older students. And we keep going. So let's just pretend that 1, 2, 3, Cobber's our dog. Cobber got 1. Callum is my son, and he got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I better give him a few in case he watches this video. Okay, so we've got 1, 2. We've got 3 in the score column. We've got 10. And... oh, that's Cobber. I didn't do Callum. Sorry, Callum. I thought I was on Callum. I better give you one more. Alright, that's 11. You beat Cobber, Callum. Well done. Good boy. Daisy's our new Pugalier. She's very cute, bulgy eyes. So she couldn't see anything and got a duck. Okay. Be kind, people. This is a duck, I promise. Quack, quack. Oh, that's a very good duck. This is not so good. Fergus is our cat. And our cat got a duck as well. She loves getting birds. That's a better duck, is it? Anyway, so a duck in cricket equals 0. Okay, Big Ted from play school, he got 5, 4, 5. So we're teaching tally marks all the way through. And you're rolling the dice. So the other person's rolling the dice because they're the bowler. And there's a random chook on the field who got 1. All right, so we've got 5, 1. So now we can take a next step. So you might have kids of different ages and you can get them to start to add up the scoring column. Okay, so then you just go down and get the total. All right, so 5. You can teach them about grouping too. So 2 and 3 make 5. 5 and 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 12, 17, 18. So we put down the 8, we carry the 1. So that's 4, 5, 6. A total score of 68 for Mr. B's 11. And then you simply swap roles. So the bowler then gets the score sheet or a different score sheet and they do the same. This is just one little game you can play to help keep numbers, to help keep those mathematical principles that they've been learning at school that they're now going to take a 6-week break on, and some of the information can zip on by sometimes, especially with reading. With reading, we do see a lot of the time that it just takes a couple of steps back after the holidays, unless we're continually reading through the holidays. So yeah, grab the Reading Hacks thing if you want to know more about that. All right. Sorry about that Santa head. I was fogging my glasses up and everything. My hair's not beautiful anymore. I swear, I do swear the camera adds 10 pounds and grey hairs. Okay? So have a fantastic Christmas, everybody. I'm going to take a little bit of a break, probably for a week. And not to say I won't be doing things behind the scenes, I just won't be on camera every Friday and Wednesday giving you hints and tips and celebrations. We've had some awesome stuff this year. It's just been brilliant. We've had some just blowout amazing celebrations and kids jumping up years. It's been fantastic. Such a great bunch of clients that we have. All right, now if you would like to make 2019 the best, the most awesome year for your child, give me a tingle, jump on our Facebook page, message me, or a website, whatever, or our email list where you've got many other hints and tips coming along, because things can change, things can really change. It doesn't have to be years and years of tutoring and speeches and whatnots and this, that's, okay? And for 10 years we've been doing that, and it's been just awesome. All right, so do that, have a Merry Christmas, make some great memories over the holidays, give your kids a high five from me, and over and out. Bye-bye.